What's up guys, with a brand new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to set up a spinnerbait easily. This is also a new channel. And we'll be doing vlogs, a whole bunch of stuff. So, you're going to take your spinnerbait. This is a regular. Hold up. Okay, here it is. Here is the thing that came with it. It's a ball bearings. Basically see it right there, all of it. And so this is a really good spinnerbait. It's a ball bearings. So here's how I set it up. So we take it, we take our swivel, and then just connect the swivel right there, and you're good. There's also better ways to do this, like either you can just tie the string straight to that. That's probably a better way how to do it, but I like doing a swivel because you can take it off and put on new stuff. So, thank you guys, and see you later.